Hey guys, Stephanie here. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to show you all my current wash day routine. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright y'all, so for these past few months I've been incorporating rice water into my routine. So what you're going to need is a mason jar or any container, some glass bowls, measuring cups, and you're also going to need a strainer. And of course, you're gonna need your rice. Now, I'm just using jasmine rice. I got this from Costco. Any rice will do, to be honest. And I'm going to grab half a cup of rice and pour it into my glass bowl. And just like when I'm cooking, I'm going to give my rice a quick rinse just to remove any dirt or debris. Since this rice is going into your hair, this part is optional, obviously, but I don't know, for me personally, I still take this step and I just feel much better when I rinse the rice first. So yeah, that's up to you whether you want to rinse the rice or not. And once I'm done, of course, I'm going to get my strainer to strain the water out, and we're going to put our rice into our mason jar. And once I got all the rice in there, I'm going to put about 2 to 3 cups of water into the mason jar. I believe for that particular mason jar, I was only able to fit about 2.5 cups. So this is what the rice water is looking like. And one last step that I would highly recommend that you do is add essential oils to the rice water. So I'm just going to throw in some lavender oil and peppermint oil. And I believe for each, I put in about 20 drops or so, because listen, if any of you guys haven't tried rice water before, I'm telling you right now, it smells like straight up caca, okay? So essential oils such as peppermint and lavender, it really helps to cut that nasty smell off. And once I'm done, I'm just gonna put it into my cabinet to ferment, and I usually leave it in the cabinet for about 24 hours to 48 hours. Alright y'all, so fast forward to 2 days later, it is finally time for me to wash my hair. And please excuse the face and the hair. I had this ponytail hairstyle in for like about a week straight, so that explains why my hair is looking super crusty. But anyway, of course, I'm going to give my hair a light rinse with warm water, of course. I would highly recommend, if you have low porosity hair, to do this, because this is going to help to open up the pores, open up the hair strands, and just give your hair a better lather once you apply your shampoo. So once we finish that, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Essentials African Black Soap Hair Cleanser, of course. And I would recommend that you use a good clarifying shampoo, especially if you're going to do the rice water, because this is going to help for the rice water to better penetrate your hair strand. So you want to make sure that your hair is completely clean of any product. So this is a good shampoo, obviously, if you want to clarify the hair. And African Black Soap is a natural cleanser. And what I love about it, on top of that, is that it does not dry my hair at all. And it gives my hair a really good cleanse. Like, my hair right now feels super duper clean. So as you guys can see, I separated my hair in 2 halves. I just prefer to wash my hair in sections, and I'm gonna wash each section twice with the shampoo to ensure that my hair is completely clean of any product. So if you guys are interested in the cleanser, of course, I'm gonna leave all the information down below. They're available on Amazon. Alright, so my hair is feeling super clean, it's feeling good, and now this is the part where I would apply my rice water. Now, right before I hop into the shower, I strain the rice water and put it into the spray bottle. And you honestly could do it any way that you want. Some people just take it and dump it straight onto their hair, but I personally prefer to just put it in a spray bottle and spray it onto my hair. It just helps me to have better precision and allows me to fully apply it onto my scalp, onto my hair. So yeah, that's just my personal preference. And I'm not gonna go too deep into like the scientifics in rice water. All I know, guys, is that it really does help to promote hair growth, and I've been doing it now for about 3 months, I would say, and I've really seen tremendous results. I'm going to show you guys pics and videos later at the end of the video, but my hair has grown a lot within these past couple of months. So I would highly recommend that you just try it out for a couple of weeks and see how your hair reacts to it, see if you get results from the rice water. So once I was done applying the rice water, I just gave my head a quick massage to stimulate the scalp. And as far as the peppermint oil, not only did it help to cut the smell of the rice water, but that also helped to stimulate my scalp as well, because my scalp right now is feeling extra tingly. And I'm just gonna let that rice water sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Just apply a plastic cap. And once that 15 minutes is up, I'm going to give my hair a quick rinse. Now, sometimes the rice water be leaving my hair feeling kind of dry, so this is the part where I would usually deep condition my hair, but today I'm just gonna use my L'Oreal Essentials Cowl and Clay and Honey conditioner instead, because this conditioner, it provides great slip and it also provides great moisture to the hair to the point where I could choose to either deep condition my hair or not. So if you're on the hunt for a good conditioner that provides great slip and moisture, this is a product that I would highly recommend. And for those who don't already know, both the shampoo and the conditioner are made by yours truly, handmade, guys, by me, with 100% natural ingredients. And if you're not on this wave yet and you're a natural, I would also highly recommend that you use a tangle teezer to detangle your hair while in the shower, because this really helps to get all the knots and tangles out of your hair without actually ripping your hair out. So if you're not on this, sis, get you a tangle teezer, okay? Alright, so we are finally done. My hair is feeling pretty good at this point. But one last thing I'm going to do before I hop out the shower, I'm going to apply my Cantu leave-in conditioner. I'm just going to take about a quarter size for each section. As y'all can see, I split my hair into 4 sections. And then I'm going to follow up with my Mielle Organics Mint Almond Oil. I was honestly running kind of low on this oil, so I went in and applied some olive oil into the bottle, which is why it's kind of green. And once I'm done applying the oil, I'm going to go in with my Tangle teezer to evenly distribute both products into the hair. And then we're going to wrap it up by twisting each section. Alright y'all, so that is pretty much it for my current wash day routine. And from there, once I hop out the shower, I just proceed with whatever hairstyle that I plan on doing that day. So real quick, I just want to show you guys my progress. This was my hair about 3 months ago. As you guys can see, the hair is about armpit length, and this is my hair now, guys. I would say right now I'm at bra strap length. I am so shocked at the results. My hair has grew a lot. I don't know if it's the rice water, I don't know if it's something else that I may be doing that's retaining length, but I don't know. I'm gonna put my money on the rice water because that's all I've been doing. So like I said, I would highly recommend, if you haven't tried it out yet, to just give it a try for a couple of weeks and see if you experience the same results that I have. So that's it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel before you guys leave. Give me a big thumbs up, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Mwah.